Hello, in front of me I have VIVO X300, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a backup of your WhatsApp chats. Okay, the process is really easy, so I'm sure that all of you can handle it. All we need to do is to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now find Chats. Scroll down a little until you find the chat backup. Okay, first let's begin with Google account. Simply tap on it, and you can see that in my case currently this Google account is selected. And it means that on that account our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the whole process. Of course, if you want, you can add new account. Okay, down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. You can see that in my case, I put it on the monthly. It means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable thing. So you can pick between one of those modes. Let's also make sure that include videos feature is enabled, so also our videos will be backupped. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. It's like an extra security feature. If you want to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password right in here that you will need to type in the future when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So you are doing it on your own. If you choose to create a password, simply don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create a backup. It's like an extra feature. Okay, also make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. And now, to create a backup, simply hit this green button. The process will start. In my case, it won't take long, because I don't have many messages. Alright, now as you take a look on the last backup, we have the hour. So that's confirmation for us that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.